was the band that her lessons was
It's Jay-Z song.
Big booty. Big booty.
They should have done the worst of it.
Oh my God.
Big Papa. I like to call him Big Papa.
Oh my God. She's the best part of the song. I am gonna pass out. Oh my God. Look at her.